Good morning, dear students. Mr. Mahmoud Azab with you. Today, lesson 14.1, the coordinate system. Today, we will learn how to locate points on a coordinate grid. Use your page 778. Look at this map. This example says, a map shows the location of landmarks and has guides for finding them. In a similar way, a coordinate grid is used to graph and name the locations of points in a plane. Look, of course, we can use, as we studied before, we can use order pairs to locate points on the coordinate grid. And in this coordinate grid, we have two lines, a horizontal line and a vertical line. For example, how to determine the location of the point of the fire? We must move horizontally to 1, then go up to 6. So the location of the fire is about 1 and 6. Another example, the location of the house is about 6 and 4. Why? How to go to the house? We must move horizontally, so first we must run, then rise. So run horizontally to the right to 6, then go up to the 4. So the location of the house is about 6 and 4. And this is the location of the fire is about. Now page 778. As I said, in the coordinate grid we have a horizontal axis, or a horizontal line is called the x-axis. The horizontal line is called the x-axis, and the vertical line is called the y-axis. And the intersection point of the y-axis and the x-axis is called the origin point. Of course, the location of the origin point here is 0 and 0. Why? To go to this point, we must run 0. Run means move horizontally, and rise 0. So the location of the origin point is the order pair 0, 0. Again, how to determine the location of any point? For example, how to determine the order pair of the point A. We must move horizontally. We must use the x coordinate or the x shift, or we must run then rise. So to go to the point A, we must begin with the origin point. From the origin point, move horizontally 1 step to the right, then go up 3 steps. So the coordinates of this point is 1 and 3. So again, run, then rise. Run 1 step and rise 3 steps. So the order pair of the point A is 1, 3. Now, page 779. Read question 1. Stop the video if you want. Write your answer. Then come back to check your answer. Have you finished? Yes. Question 1. Question 1 says, you are graphing point E05. Do you move to the right 0 units or up 0 units? Explain. Of course, 0 here means run. So 0 here means move to the right 0 units. Explain why. Of course, this is a sample explanation. You can write many answers. Compare your answer with me. The first number names the distance from the origin point along the x-axis, which is to the right. Question 2. Stop the video, do it, and come back again. Have you finished? Yes? What ordered pair names the origin of any coordinate grid? As we said, the origin is 0 and 0 because the origin point is the intersection point of the x-axis and the y-axis. Question 3. Stop the video, do it, come back again. Have you finished? Yes? Describe how to graph point K at 5 and 4. You can write many answers. For example, you can say run 5 and rise 4, or move 5 units to the right. Of course, it's to the right of the origin point, and 4 units up. Now, question 4. In 4 and 5, write the order pair for each point. Use this grid. Look at the grid and write the order pair for the point A and the point B, then A. Stop the video, write your answer, come back again if you have finished. Finished? Yes? Okay. Of course, P is 3 and 2 because we must run 3 steps, then rise 2 steps. So 3 and 2. A, how to go to A? Run, how many steps? Of course it's 0. Rise, 0. Of course, A here at the origin point of this coordinate grid. So A is 0 and 0. Go now to question 6 and 7. In question 6 and 7, name the point for each order pair on the grid above. Stop the video, do question 6, do 7, come back again if you have finished. Have you finished? Yes? Okay. Question 6, 5 and 3. Of course, we must run 5 steps, then rise 3 steps. So of course, this order pair represents the point D. So D is the correct answer. Question 7, 1, 4. So run 1 step to the right and rise 4 steps. So of course, this order pair represents the point C. So C is the correct answer. Now, questions 8 to 13. Write the order pair for each point. Use the grid. Look at this grid. Use it to find or to solve questions from 8 to 13. Stop the video. Do it yourself. Come back again if you have finished. Have you finished? Yes. So check your answer with me. T. Search for T. How to go to T? Run nothing, 0, and rise 5. So T is 0 and 5. Question 9, X. Search for the point X. How to go to X? Begin with the origin point. Of course, run to the right 4 steps or 4 units. Then rise. So run, rise, run 4, rise 3. So it will be 4 and 3. Yes. Question 10. Y. How to determine how to locate the point Y. We must begin with the origin point. Run 1 step, rise 0. So it's 1 and 0. Question 11, W. W, we must run. Remember, we must begin with the origin point. So run 3 steps to the right, rise 2 steps up, so 3 and 2. Z will be 1 and 4, run 1, rise 4, so 1 and 4. S will be run 5, rise 5, so it will be 5, 5. In questions 14 to 18, name the point for each coordinate for each order pair on the grid above. Use the same grid. Stop the video if you want. Do it. Come back again. Have you finished? Yes? Okay, check your answer with me. Question 14, 2 and 2. Run 2, rise 2, so it will be L. 5 and 4. Run 5, rise 4, so it will be Q. 1, 5. Run 1, rise 5, so it will be N. 0 and 3. Run 0, so don't move to the right. Rise 3, so you are at M now. 4 and 0. Run 4, rise 0, so don't go up. So it will be P. Are you happy with this? Yes? Okay, I enjoyed this lesson. So, goodbye. See you later.